Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix NVIDIA error code in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to enable NVIDIA in-game overlay. For that, you need to enter into your NVIDIA application and then settings, and then please enable the NVIDIA overlay. Because the second step is to restart NVIDIA services. For that, you need to enter into your services as run as administrator mode. And please scroll down, you may see NVIDIA display container. Please enter into the properties and make it as automatic and check the status. Yeah, now it's in running condition, so just click apply and then click OK. The same you need to do for NVIDIA local system container. It's in running, then click apply and then click OK, then close it. And the third step is to end NVIDIA process. For that, you need to enter into the task manager. Over there, you need to enter the NVIDIA application and then close it. And the fourth step is to install Windows Update. So for that, you need to enter into the settings and then Windows Update and then click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the fifth step is to run system file checker. For that, you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and then please copy the prompt in the description, paste it over there. It need to be load from 0 to 100, so you need to wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, once it's done, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there, and you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. The same it will load from 0 to 100. So once it's done, please do check out the status whether it's successful or unsuccessful. If in case it's unsuccessful, you need to redo the step. So the sixth step is to reinstall the NVIDIA driver. For that, you need to enter into the control panel, enter into the uninstall program, and over there you can uninstall the program, and you can reinstall by using refreshing the device manager, or else you need to go to Windows Update to reinstall it. So the seventh step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoyed the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.